What's up, guys and girls? It's Brian here with Portable Generator Services. And I have a couple of people that have asked me how I started. They want to start their own business. How did I start mine? And I just want to say one thing. My business model is not the typical business model that a big business uses. Unless if you're going that route, you better have a ton of money stacked up to spend on what I think is unnecessary spending, and it's a lot. Let me get to what I'm trying to get at. So I am doing a satellite style business model. I realized in my industry I was getting hired by companies that were not even in the state I worked in. They had me kind of function as a business down there. They had a storage unit that had parts for me, and they had cards and accounts at every auto place or parts hydraulic spot so that I go whatever and get whatever I needed. And there was not a business building. I didn't have a general manager, with me or in a building. And I realized that in today's day and age, you don't need an office, especially if you're not selling anything, okay? That was another thing. As a generator company, I don't do installs. It's a waste of time. It's a waste of time unless the customer that you already have that customer, or you get a random call and they're like, listen, price this out. We want to use you because we know you do good work, and they're not going to complain about the price. Cool. You're good, right? Don't be trying to do installs as a new business unless you've got that help and you've got the clientele already, because you're going to spend a lot of money on advertising. And the competition, there's HVAC companies installing generators. The competition is enormous, meaning the profit goes down because you have to compete with everyone's lower price. Plus the process of needing to have the inventory, and then the inspection process, at least down here in Florida, takes like 2 to 3 months, could be 6 months depending on how busy they are and what city you're in. Okay, it's just a 6-month process of payment, and honestly, the amount of visits that I would make to jobs for inspections and all of this, it's just crazy. So I said, you know what, I'm doing repairs and I'm doing maintenance. Service and maintenance. Or service and repairs. And what I did, and you have to really do this, it allows you to not fail. I was like, how do I not fail at starting a business with no money down, nothing? I didn't have 10 stacks that I threw towards my business or anything. I literally had just, I had 10 stacks in my savings account, but I didn't just throw 10,000 to start the business. It costs like $400 to create a business. Go to your state website and look up how to create a business. And get a tax ID and your EIN and your FEIN and all that crap. It's not hard. To go on Google Business and make a Google Business account is free. And that is very important. Keep in mind, Google is your most important person when it comes to how you're getting out there on social media and how people are finding your business. Okay? I did a lot of research in terms of SEO, how and what works best, and I've got some $1 million secrets. Like, people that are smarter than me, if they knew about this, it'd be insane. I don't pay for advertising, okay? I don't have to. I'm automatically pulling up and being in the top page. And if you want to know why, you can go ahead and click this link. If you want to sign up, if you're looking to start your own business and you're in the trades, you're in the service industry, sign up. It's $200. But I promise you, if you follow these simple little rules, in just a year, you will be able to go on your own and leave the company that you're with. There's a lot to it. Look up my business, Portable Generator Services, down here in Florida. We've got a 4.9 rating on Google. We've got a 4 or a 5-star rating on Angie's. We've got over 250 reviews through Birdseye at a 5.0 rating. And check the reviews out, all right? If you want a business that looks like that, go ahead and click the link. It'll be definitely worth your time. I'm gonna be giving multiple $1 million secrets in terms of online stuff. Think about this. I'm 34. I set my parents' computer up when I was 6. They got a computer from a rich friend of theirs. You know, the old Dell square white big monitors. And I set it up. I have been involved in online gaming and social media my whole life. I'm an expert at it. I know what works. I know what... I've done a lot of researching, and then throwing in the fact that I used to game and got into hacks and different programming to run different bots and stuff, and learning how to write in code, not good at all, but still can do certain things. I've found programs that I use to help with your SEO and how easy it is to do these things, and no one knows about these. And it would definitely be a gray area if I even discussed it, because of just what it does. Anyways, if you're interested, before you sign up, go ahead and check my website out. Go ahead and check my Google business page out, which is super important. Go ahead and make yourself a Google business page. And let me know what you think. I 100% promise you that it will be beneficial to you, and you will definitely say it's worth it. This is the thing. I'm gonna hold a class, and if you think it's worth it, you pay me. If you don't, then don't pay me.